I'll be rolling with the punches, dealing with the hunches. I've been rolling with the punches, dealing with the hunches. What seems right today may turn out wrong tomorrow. Many had beginning have ended up in sorrow, so I'll be rolling with the punches, dealing with the hunches. Been caught up inside, reaching for a star, but always seems to disappear. So much stumbling all the way through, and now I've stumbled upon you. So I'll be rolling with the punches, dealing with the hunches, and let what will be just be. Let what will be just be.